Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you and share with you this beautiful polygel kit that I bought from Amazon by MAKARTT. It comes with 6 different neon polygel colors, a brush, some nail extension forms, cleaning solution, and I think a file. The colors are absolutely beautiful and I hope you will like them as much as I do. So right now I am gluing on my tips to my Flexifingers. Not a good idea. Why? Because when I actually try to take them off in the end, I actually ripped some of the silicone off of the nail beds. So I did kind of destroy my Flexifingers, not to the point that it's not usable, but I am not too happy about it. So guys, don't glue your tips to your silicone hands. So once nail tips are applied and shaped, you want to file off the shine. Buff it out or use just like a sanding sander like I am, which is much quicker. Every single nail, the shine needs to be taken off before working with any gel products. So once that's done, I'm going to start putting on the base coat. Once the base coat is applied to all of the nails, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Now, as you're going to watch the design and you're going to see me applying different colors, I'm working with 3 colors today. 2 shades of blue and purple, just like the ones are on my nails, and the same type of glitter, as I'm so in love with this color combination. So every time I apply a different color, I cure it for 60 seconds. And then I apply the second color, I cure it again. So it is a little bit time consuming when you're actually doing the design on a flexi hand or your practice hand, because you have to cure every single finger every time you put a color. When you have a client, you switch hands and you want one hand and cure it while you work on the other, which doesn't take as much of your time as working on a practice hand. But the design actually comes out very beautiful, and I can't wait for you guys to see the end results, and I'm waiting for your comments. Your comments, I loved every single one of them. I love your output, I love your recommendations, I love everything that you write down there. So I'm definitely waiting for those. So I will talk to you guys in a couple seconds. Enjoy watching how I create this design. Now, when I was working on this finger and it was time for me to do the blue with the glitter, I forgot to press the record button from the pause section. So I do apologize for that, but I'm sure you guys can figure out how to apply the blue and the glitter. So the glitter I did apply to the blue gel polish before I cured it. Gel polish, polygel, before I cured it, because it's a little bit more sticky and the glitter stays on better. I also, the reason why I'm working at one finger at a time with one color is because if I would want to apply, let's say, the purple design to every single nail, all 5 nails that I'm doing the purple design to, and then cure it, by the time I finish the 5th nail, this polygel tends to move a little bit. So once you would be finished with all 5 fingers, the first finger that you did apply it to would actually move out of place for you a little bit. So I'm not too crazy about that item about this polygel, but other than that, it's not hard to work with. It's sticky. It is polygel. I do prefer working with acrylics. It's easy to work with, even of the smell. The smell doesn't bother me at all. Me, I get this stickiness everywhere. I get it on my desk, on my clothes, on my nails. At one point, I actually found it in my hair, which I had to cut it off because I just couldn't get it off. It was just a mess. And thank God it wasn't a lot, just a little bit, so it was not noticeable. Um, Enjoy watching the rest, and as you see now, glitter on top of the blue before it's actually cured. So once I apply the glitter, that's when I actually cure the second shade of blue.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Echoes of your
Now with this nail, all 3 colors I did not cure till I actually finish putting on the design. I tried to create this kind of an ombre look with polygel. I didn't know if it was actually doable, so I didn't want to cure it because I needed to be still wet and workable when I tried to blend all the 3 colors together. It does not work as well as it does with acrylic. The blendiness of it, it just doesn't come out. But the good thing is I did use glitter on this nail, so it kind of covered all the little imperfections and the design came out beautiful. I did wet my brush with alcohol a little bit more, just so the gel becomes a little bit more liquidy than usually is. But I love it. I love the outcome. It's not bad. It's still workable. You can still do it, but it does not blend very well together.
Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Now to this nail, I just designed a little bit of the purple as I just thought it was missing a little bit additional color, as every single one of the other nails has that purple, and that purple is absolutely beautiful. The pinky, I did all purple with that blue glitter, and the color combination together is absolutely gorgeous. So now the glitter that I used, I did buy it from AliExpress. I do buy a lot of my nail products from AliExpress. Not acrylic. I prefer to use Young Nails or Mia's Secret, which is a little bit cheaper. But I do buy a lot of glitter and stones from AliExpress.
Remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Now I did encapsulate every single nail with clear polygel. It's not needed to do this when using the colored gel polish. You just have to make the nail thicker and then just file it down, the same thing as you do with colored acrylics. I do like to encapsulate my gel colors, even my acrylic colors, just because it just gives that little bit of an extra oomph to it, and it just it's shiny, it looks better. You have that sometimes a little 3D to it. If you know, guys, what I mean by it. I'm probably just talking too much at this point. But I did encapsulate every single nail, and I cured it for 60 seconds.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most.
Now just wipe off the stickiness with some gel cleaning solution or just basic alcohol. I wiped it off and then I filed it all off, cleaned it with the dust, and now my favorite part is coming up, which is the top coat. The top coat reveals how beautiful this design came out. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and loved this design, as I love creating it, and I would love for you to try these colors, as they are absolutely beautiful. I have not used the other shades yet, as I think the other shades are yellow, red, and green. I'm not sure if there is a pink, but I think it's yellow, red, and green. So I definitely will come up with a design with those shades, because I want to see how they come up as much, and I hope I love those shades as much as I love the blues and the purples. So keep on watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars
Now here's the finished design. It's absolutely gorgeous. I would wear it on my hands in a heartbeat. I wouldn't even think twice about it. The colors are outstanding and very popping. I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did creating it for you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And please wait for more videos are coming your way. Thank you and love from Aniaz Nails. Bye.